Dear students, welcome to Lesson 8B. Let's start this lesson by looking at some pictures. Some of them may be familiar to you. The first picture we have is a spoon, a bowl, a box, a bottle of water, a tie, a glass, and a dog's house. What are these objects made of? What are the materials people use to make these objects? Do you have an idea? So let's start learning. The box is made of cardboard. Cardboard is the material people use to make boxes. The spoon is made of metal. The bottles are made of plastic. The mirror is made of glass. This jacket is made of leather. The tie is made of cloth. The plates and cups are made of china. And the dog's house is made of wood. As you could see, objects are made of different materials. And what about their shapes? Objects do not have the same shape. Look at the mirror. That is a round mirror. Round is the shape of the object. This is a square window. Square is the characteristic, is the shape of the object. This is a long tape measure. This is a flat and thin TV. Now, what can you tell me about these pencils? Can you describe them? Can you mention the material they are made of? Can you mention their shapes? Here, there is some help for you. But still, we need to complete the sentences. In the first one, we need a material. And in the second one, we need shapes. So let's see. The pencils are made of wood. And sentence number 2, they are long, thin, and round. Do you know how pencils are made? Do you know the process people have to follow to make pencils? Maybe you think it is very easy to make pencils, but let me tell you that it is not. So, to know more about this process, you have to open your books to page number 78 and order the process of making pencils. There are 9 sentences that are in this order. What you have to do is read them very carefully and put them in order. You are going to have 3 minutes to do this activity. It's time now to check our answers. Number 1. The wood is cut into square blocks. Number 2. The blocks are cut into flat pieces. Number 3. Lines are cut in one side of each flat piece. Number 4. The pencil leads are put in the cut lines. Number 5. A second flat piece is stuck on top of the first to make a pencil sandwich. Number 6. The pencil sandwich is cut into separate pencils. Number 7. The pencils are shaped and painted. Number 8. The information about the pencil is printed on the side. And number 9. An eraser is fitted at the end of the pencil. Now, look at the words in red taken from the previous exercise. In what tense are the verbs? Are they in present, past, or future? Do you know what is the grammar we are using here? If you do not know, don't worry. Click on the next link in your itinerary. Remember that we are working on week number 3, and the link that you have to click is the passive voice present. You also have to pay attention to the grammar explanation. After watching the video, click on the following link. Week number 3, Lesson 8, V2.